Do you have a square face and struggle with makeup, wondering how to highlight your best features? If so, you've landed on the right video. We're diving into the world of makeup for square faces. This is not a one-size-fits-all situation. We're going to break it down step by step to ensure you're accentuating your unique features in all the right ways. So, get your brushes ready because we're about to embark on a makeup journey together. Stay tuned to find out how to accentuate your square face shape with makeup. Before we dive in, you need to confirm if you indeed have a square face. So, let's break down the key characteristics that make a face square. Picture this, a strong jawline, one that's almost as wide as the forehead. Speaking of foreheads in a square face, it's typically broad, not tapering much at the sides. Now, imagine cheekbones that are wide, almost in line with the jaw and forehead. These features together form the striking square face shape. It's important to note that everyone's face is unique, and these are just general guidelines. Perhaps your face ticks all these boxes, or maybe just a couple. Either way, understanding your face shape is crucial. It's the canvas for your makeup artistry, and knowing its shape lets you highlight your best features and soften others as you wish. Now that you know what a square face looks like, let's move on to the makeup tips. Now, let's dive into the heart of our discussion. Makeup tips for square faces. The ideal face shape is an oval face shape. Therefore, any makeup we apply is applied with the desire to achieve an oval appearance. When it comes to makeup for square faces, contouring is key. It's about creating a balance, softening the angles and accentuating your best features. Start with a contouring product, a couple of shades darker than your natural skin tone. Apply it along the sides of your forehead and under your cheekbones, heading towards your mouth. This technique will help to elongate your face and soften the strong jawline associated with square faces. Highlighting is another essential step. A good highlighter can create an illusion of light and lift, drawing attention to the areas you want to stand out. Apply your highlighter on the highest points of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the brow bone. This will help to enhance the shape of your face. Choosing the right makeup products for your face shape is crucial. For square faces, opt for rounded brushes for application. They help to create a softer, more natural look. When it comes to blush, apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend it towards your temples. This technique will help to add a bit of roundness to your face. The eyes are the window to the soul, and drawing attention to them can help to balance out a square face. Opt for a rounded eyebrow shape as it can help to soften the look of your face. Also, don't shy away from dramatic eye makeup. Bold eyeshadow, thick lashes, and a bit of glitter can draw attention to your eyes and away from the strong jawline. Lips are the final touch. A bold lip color can also help to balance out the squareness of your face. Don't be afraid to play with colors and textures. A bit of gloss can add some extra glamour. With these tips, you can enhance your square face shape and highlight your best features. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty and having fun with it. So, go ahead, experiment, and find what works best for you. As we wrap up, remember that makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty. It's not about changing who you are, but accentuating your best features. And for our square-faced beauties, we've covered some fantastic tips today. We started with the basics of identifying a square face. Broad forehead, pronounced cheekbones, and a strong jawline are your defining features. Remember, each face shape is unique and beautiful in its own way, and yours is no exception. We then dove into the world of makeup, discussing how to highlight your best features. We talked about contouring techniques to soften your strong jawline, the importance of highlighting your cheekbones, and how to choose the right eyebrow shape to balance your look. It's all about creating an illusion of softness and balance. But don't forget, these are just guidelines. There's no one-size-fits-all in makeup. It's an art, and you're the artist. Experiment with different looks, play with colors, try various techniques, and most importantly, practice. With time, you'll find what works best for you, and your unique beauty will shine through. And remember, beauty is not just about how you look on the outside, but how you feel on the inside. So wear your makeup with confidence and let your inner beauty shine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Remember, your square face is beautiful, and with these tips, you can make it even more stunning. Comment down below any problems you may have had while doing your makeup, so I know what types of videos to make in the future.